Okay, lawn fans, you ready? So I'm going to talk real quick about something that you may see popping up in your yard. And it's little mounds of dirt like this. Like that. Like that. Like that. What is this? Those are worm castings. And basically this is showing that you have worm action in your yard. And I don't know if you can tell this morning, but they are everywhere in my yard. We've had about 4 to 5 days of rain here in Northwest Georgia. And so I've got a lot of worm castings popping up. Am I worried about that? No, not at all. That means I've got free aeration going on right now. I know this may be kind of unsightly for some, but after all this rain goes away, these will dry up pretty quickly. And then when I go to cut the yard, it'll just knock them down, they'll go away. But if you are seeing these pop up in your lawn, that is what they are, worm castings. Bermuda Brian. Oh.